J&S Woodworks of Georgia builds brand new handcrafted furniture to your custom design. Whether big or small, attention to detail and craftsmanship is a priority. From large kitchen pantries to small bathroom wall cabinets, if you have an idea, we can bring it to life. Using hand planes and card scrapers to smooth large panels, such as those on kitchen pantries or these bookcases that surround a fireplace, is an essential woodworking technique. Rough cutting a large cherry board into legs for an executive desk. After shaping the legs to size and cutting the joinery, I will cut the groove for zebra with inlay at the ankle. After cutting the grooves to the inlay, I will measure and mark the zebra with inlay to be cut with a chisel. Then I will sand the inlay for a perfect fit. I will then carefully glue up the groove with the right amount of glue and repeat the process all around the leg. Here is a finished zebra with inlay at the ankle of the cherry leg for the executive desk. The executive desk also has hand-cut dovetail joinery on the drawers. We use drawer slide with wax to achieve smooth operating drawers on all of our large cherry and mahogany jewelry boxes, as well as our large jewelry armoires. Please contact Bud Brook of J&S Woodworks of Georgia for all of your custom furniture needs, or visit our Etsy page to purchase one of our current designs.